Listen closely because what I'm about to share is time sensitive. People are already starting their Christmas shopping right now as we speak, and you need to get in on this immediately. While you're watching this video, thousands of people are already clicking buy on their holiday gifts. Black Friday isn't the only day they wait for deals anymore. Here's the deal. There's this thing called Save Club, and it's basically like having Black Friday deals every single day. But here's where it gets interesting. We've got partnerships with literally every major store you already shop at, all over the world, all of them. But instead of paying full price and being taken advantage of, you're getting huge discounts and cash back on everything. Now check this out. This is where it gets crazy good. When you refer someone to our shopping portal and they shop, you get a cash back match on everything they buy. Think about that for a second. Your Aunt Sally buys her kids Christmas presents, you get cash. Your neighbor John gets his wife that necklace she's been wanting, you get cash. Your coworker does all their holiday shopping. Boom, more cash in your pocket. This adds up to a ton of Christmas cash for you. And remember, as you are watching this video, people are shopping right now to avoid the rush, beat the shortages, and grab the best deals. Imagine this. You're sitting at your boring job and see a phone notification. Someone just bought something and you got paid. Just like that. And it happens again and again and again. But wait, it gets even better. You know gift cards, right? Top Christmas gift every year. Well, check this out. We're giving people $5 free just to download our app. They get cash back on gift cards, paying less and getting more. Every time someone gets their free $5, you get $5 too. Do the math, give away 50 free fivers a day. That's an extra $250 in your pocket, daily. And remember, you're still getting cash back matches on everything they buy. Listen, the holiday shopping season isn't coming. It's here. People are already spending money. Every day you wait is money left on the table. If you need extra Christmas cash, and let's be honest, who doesn't? Fill out the form below right now. Not tomorrow, not later. Now, because while you're thinking about it, other people are already making money from all this holiday shopping happening right now. Because here's the truth. While everyone else is fighting over Black Friday deals, you could be building a serious cash flow that pays you every single day through the holidays and beyond. Just for helping people save money on stuff they're already buying. Fill out that form. Let's stuff your stocking with some serious cash this year.